Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this rechargeable Bluetooth label maker printer that works all with iOS and Androids. Alright, so we have our portable label maker. This label maker is great to organize stuff for your kitchen, your kids' lunch. It does come in 4 different colors. You got green, white, clear, as well as pink. So here is good for school supplies, organization, to organize your kitchen cabinets, your food. So you can personalize design labels. It's got 1500 icons, 270 plus borders, 150 plus different fonts. It has an 8-layer lamination technology. So now let's dive into the box. First off in the box you can see the label tape. So this is the pink, black and pink. So it's UV resistant, water resistant. This is a 1" by 1". So right here it gives you the options of different colors that you can purchase this in. This one is the pink one. It's just nice, little small. And you can see the label right here at the bottom. You got the sticky part. This will go into the printer itself. It prints out high quality labels, perfect for indoor, outdoor use, durable, even in the harshest conditions. Now this is the green one. So you can use these tapes to put on a mailbox. You could put it on cups, glasses, plants. It's UV resistant, waterproof, anti-corrosion, and long-lasting. So now this is the black and white. And then you've got the clear and you've seen the green. So this is the D1600 label maker. Keep your life organized and simple. So here is the user manual. This basically tells you how to insert the tape, how to charge it. This is the checklist of everything that you get in the box. Here's your specifications. There is your product introduction. About your buttons. So this is perfect for anything that can be labeled, such as cups, vases, cosmetic, cabinets, notebooks, toys, seasonal jars, personal items, containers, flower pots, documents, folders, shelves. So right here you get a Type-C charging cable. This cable will help charge up your device. You do need a charging block, which does not come included. It's just a charging cable. So now we're going to remove the printer itself. So this is simply lightweight. It's portable. You can take it on the go wherever you go. So it's really nice looking. You have a button to cut the label, so you don't need no tape to cut the labels. Right here is where the label will print out. Here's some specifications on the bottom. Now this is your power button and your USB charging port. You'll charge it right here using this port. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. It will flash red. Once it's solid red means it's ready to go. When you want to open it up and put the tape in, all you have to do is push this little button right at the top with a little arrow and it'll pop it open. You'll just line up the tape where the tape goes out. So let's just go ahead and grab a tape and insert the tape. So I'm just going to grab this one. You just line it up. You'll see the label part at the top. You'll slide it in. Match up the holes with this. push it down, it'll click in, close the top, and it's ready to print. So before you print, you'll need to download an app on your device, which actually has it for iOS as well as Android. So whatever device you're using, you can go ahead and download the app. This is my iPhone 13 Pro Max, so I'm just going to go into the App Store, and in the App Store you want to search in Print Master. So in the search bar, type in Print Master. It'll look like a little mushroom. It's right here. It says Print Master. Click on Get. Wait for that to install. Now we're going to open it up. So you can sign in using your Apple, Facebook, or sign in as guest. I'm going to go and sign in as guest. You can also register, which I'm not going to do that, so I'm just going to go into guest. It'll ask you to turn on your Bluetooth. We're going to go and set our Bluetooth to on. Okay, now that we have that set on, we're just going to go out of this screen. It's going to ask me if I allow it to use Bluetooth. I'm going to click on go ahead. Okay. Now it wants you to pair your printer to your phone. Now that it is already paired, we'll just go ahead and go out of there and set up our printer to pick something to print. And now it'll say make label. We'll click on the make label. So now they do have some templates. They have some borders you can choose from. So we'll just choose some of these templates here. You got picture templates. You can do a font, text. You can change different templates. You've got baking. You've got kitchen, you got food, you got figures, so let's choose on this one right here. So now let's try a border. I'm gonna go pick on a border. So now it puts a border on there. Click confirm. We'll click on next. And then you want to click the little blue button. It'll print out of this hole. So there's a little blue button right here. Click on that. That's actually the print button. So tap on that. And you can watch it's printing the label. Now that the label is completed, now you have this little button at the top that will actually cut it off, so you can't pull it out. You'll actually have to cut it, which is great. You don't need a scissors. And then there's your label. Now if you want to do a text label, we'll just go back in there and set the label as to a text. So we'll go back to cancel. No, we don't want to save it. Don't save. Now we're going to add one more, and then we'll click on here. We'll click on text. We'll clear that out. Okay, now you add your text. I'm going to put milk. So now we're going to click on next. Again, click on the blue button. And that'll come out of the label maker. You push the little scissors at the top and it will cut the label. And there you have it. So anything you want to print out, whether it be an image or a text, you can do it all from the comfort of your phone. I'm running the iPhone 13 Pro Max, so it does work on the iOS as well as on Android. So these have a little sticker on the back. You just remove the sticker from each side. It's a double side. So once you remove that, you can just place it on wherever you want to put this. So I'm going to put this on the milk. It's a little hard to grab, but you can see right there it has the label for milk. Anything you want to label, this thing will label it. It is super lightweight, works great with any device. The fact is that you get 4 different colors, and the charging port is a great thing. It is portable. You can take it anywhere you want it or anywhere you need it. I would say if you're looking for a nice label printer maker, I would say go ahead and check this one out. You will like this one.